Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a trending travel style photo using ChatGPT that's going viral on Instagram. So let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, tap on the Create Image option. Now tap on the plus icon and upload a photo from your gallery that you want to transform. After your image is uploaded, go to the text box and paste your prompt in. The prompt, you'll see a section where you can add a location. Just replace it with any place you like, such as Paris, Dubai, or New York. Once you've done that, tap on Send to start generating your image. Now wait a few seconds while the AI creates your travel style photo. After it's done, you'll see your final image on the screen. If you like the result, simply tap on the download button to save it to your gallery, and that's it. That's how you can easily create a trending travel style photo using ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.